At IDP FILM, we have invested a large amount of capital in the latest high-end heat management equipment to offer businesses and residential clients a visible solution for accurate surveying their offices and homes for heat loss and water ingress on outside roofing areas. When you commission IDP FILM to undertake exterior and/or interior thermal surveys, you are getting a best, both in terms of high quality, accurate visual data, where you can actually see the room heat or the cold sink, but also the exterior roofs where water leak is shown as white line highlights. The thermal survey would be presented to you, the client, on either a USB memory stick or a DVD. From this data, you can then instruct specialist roof repairers or cavity insulation companies to do remedial repair work. The goal of this survey is to assist making your home or office an energy efficient place as best as possible. In the end, it could save you thousands on energy bills. Thank you for watching. IDP FILM can be contacted at the following email address: studio@idp-film.com.